Well, oddly enough, I'm about to go for my second ride of the day. Gotta be a little quiet, my mom's friend's here. Oh. Thinking this is gonna be a pretty short ride because it's getting dark. I wanted to leave about a half hour ago, but my chest started bothering me, so I had to wait a little while. As it is, it's still kind of bothering me right now, so we'll see how this goes. Supposed to work on my video I made this morning today, but I ended up sleeping pretty much all day, so that didn't happen. Kind of sad when I like rewatch. Like I'll go for a ride and then I'll make my video, and I'll go home and I'll watch the video, and sometimes I'll fall asleep watching my own video. So I'm figuring, well, if that's happening to me and it's my own video, well, I imagine what it's doing to you guys. Oh man, it feels like nice out here. I mean, this morning it was kind of chilly because it was in the high 60s, mid 60s, but now it's like probably like mid 70s right now. So it just kind of feels really nice right now. I had my lights on this morning. I went early enough that I needed to turn my lights on for a little while this morning. Well, basically, I just left them on the whole time. I didn't get off and turn them off. I think one of my lights died. Good thing I got 3 more lights to back it up. I was feeling pretty good. I woke up around 6 o'clock this afternoon. Like I've been in and out of sleep like all day. I was feeling pretty good when I first woke up, but then like as with happens to me regularly, as the more I wake up, the worse I start to feel. It's like all my pain just starts to wake up as I wake up. Got me a thumbs up. If I'm gonna make this light or not. Guess we'll find out right now. A little rock dodge in there. Oh, my phone already shut off. I haven't even been going that long. I did kind of start it in the garage though, so it makes sense. Got a little quiet there. Kind of feel a little out of it for some reason. I'm not waking up all the way. This is actually going to be a pretty short ride. Starting to feel kind of not so great, so I'm just going to go home now. And I could try to push myself and go further, but I'm not going to do that. After the past few days I've already had. Kind of sucks. It's really nice out here. Oh well, shit happens. Cool thing is I'll just be able to upload this video. I won't have to like edit it at all. It's short enough. It should just like go as one big piece. Alright, well, that's it. Sorry about that. I felt like going for a longer one, but then my health has taken over again. So I only went like... I'm not even going to check it. I'm just going to shut this thing off and go get in the house because I don't feel good. I really don't feel good right now. Yeah. Damn it. I don't feel good right now. Damn it. honestly don't even want to plug this thing in right now, but if I don't, and then I get up to go for a ride in the morning, if I'm feeling okay, I'm gonna just be letting myself down. Shit, where's my plug at? Come on, go in there, buddy. There it is. Sometimes you gotta spin these plugs around to get them in there, depending on the kind of plug it is. So I like about the RCA styles is they're just plug and play. You don't gotta mess with them. What the hell? But you get the XLR connectors or the multi-pin connectors, and you're trying to plug them in the dark, and you got to spin them around, and semi-dark, I guess, in here. It's warm as hell in my garage right now. Alright, well, this is kind of a bummer. Oh, I didn't lock my phone up again. I thought I did. Oh well. Okay, well, that was my ride. I'm going to end it short. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, share, turn on post notifications. Thanks for all my subscribers. Thanks to all my viewers. I got to end it, though. Remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. And I'll see you on my next ride.